Why did you remove the plug of the Wi-Fi? Okay, let's talk about the issue of Carlos Santos Fernandez. You are my friend too. And please, Carlos Santos Fernandez, with all due respect, please stop praising Marcos. Carlos Santos Fernandez, everyone hates Marcos. Um, Here's the one thing I could say. I am your friend, Carlos Santos Fernandez. You have to listen to me. Uh, I know don't compare that Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is Kim Il-sung. Don't compare Bongbong Marcos as Kim Jong-il. Don't compare that Sandro Marcos as Kim Jong-un. Because, the the Marcoses are really corrupt. I say again, Carlos Santos Fernandez. Oh, in the Guinness World of Record, I've been telling all the truth was. I always telling the facts was. And don't idolize the Marcoses. Carlos Santos Fernandez, that Bongbong Marcos, that he's responsible who bring Rodrigo Duterte in The Hague, in the Netherlands. It is what you like to say, oh, you love BBM, you love Bongbong Marcos. Carlos Santos Fernandez, Bongbong Marcos, and Ferdinand Marcos Sr. are both corrupt. I boycott all the infrastructure of Marcoses. I boycott against the Marcoses infrastructure, LRT, Manila Film Center, Philippine Heart Center, Philippine Lung Center, and the Philippine Children's Medical Center. And even that CDIFI, that was a Marcos infrastructure. I boycott it. Carlos Santos Fernandez, everyone hates Marcos. And stop praising that Teacher Evelyn Caja, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Teacher May Tiburcio, Romeo TV Blog, and other Marcos loyalists, even Sangkay Janjan and Nino Bersaga. Carlos Santos Fernandez, don't praise the Marcoses. J-Rick and I, we are angry at the Marcoses for what they did to Rodrigo Duterte. And Rodrigo Duterte allowed Ferdinand Marcos Sr. to bury in libingan ng mga bayani way back 2016. And some say that Bongbong Marcos has no trust to the Duterte o walang utang loob ang mga Marcoses. Even Imelda Marcos never trust Rodrigo Duterte. She never thanks Rodrigo Duterte that he allowed to bury her husband, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. This is hard to say, Carlos. We are Filipinos. We are against the Marcoses and you don't know what is really happening. Like I said, just remember, among who experienced EDSA people power, among them is Jessica Soho, Mang Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Bear, and even Jim Paredes, and also other people who experience EDSA people power, especially Mami Ellen, Olea, especially Jens Manaid's parents who experienced it. His father was experienced the EDSA people power. I never chat Jen's dad or Jen's mother experienced that in EDSA people power. Because Jen's brother, Alan, Kuya Alan Manaid, never born yet. He was born 1988. He was older than Sir Paulo Cuao. Carlos, with all due respect, Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. Greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. It's a Guinness World of Record. It's like the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. You know the greatest robbery of the government? I say to you, Carlos Santos Fernandez. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos, both. You see that, Carlos? Just like that, I remember the time when I was with Matthew Timbal and Miggy Labitag. Miggy says to me, and here's the screenshot from Matthew Timbal, what is called the Guinness World of Record. And you see, Carlos, according by Matthew Timbal, he curses F word. And what he say before, Matthew Timbal says, fuck you Bongbong Marcos and fuck you Ferdinand Marcos Sr. I'm never supposed to say that bad words. Matthew Timbal says, it's in Discord. It's in a screenshot from Miggy Labitag when he messaged me in chat in Messenger. Last 2021, before election. This is hard to say, Carlos. You are my friend. We're friends each other and we know each other. And also, I mean, John Mendoza. This is hard to say. The Marcoses are the greatest robbery. You remember John Mendoza? Carlos Santos Fernandez, one is from Colf. He is being scammed by Bongbong Marcos and even Kuya Julio. Kuya Julio and John Mendoza are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Especially Jens Manaid and his parents are anti-Marcos. They never vote Bongbong Marcos. They voted Leni Robredo. But you see, John Mendoza and Kuya Julio, they are just victim of scammers. That scammer, it was made by Bongbong Marcos. That's what we have to tell, Carlos. Nabudol na tayo ni BBM. That's why I said before, just like I heard that before when I talked with Kuya Jay, we discussed about the interview. I never tell that to Ate Mirasol. Ate Mirasol have experienced that in EDSA People Power when she was a kid. Or when she was 16 years old, she experienced EDSA People Power. Ate Mirasol Siaco, that was a mother of Paulo and Yana. She is experienced the EDSA People Power. She and also Kuya Ver experience it. That's why, Carlos, with all I said before, I told with Kuya Jay, my cousin, that Bongbong Marcos is really a greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. That's what you have to tell, Carlos. You should not tell what's the lie, whatsoever. The Marcoses are really a greatest robbery. Even Ferdinand Marcos Sr., Imelda Marcos, Irene Marcos, Amy Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. They are greatest robbery of the government of the Guinness World of Record. The Duterte family have never steal anything. Oh, they are against robbery. They are against the crimes. Oh, they never steal anything. Like Cory Aquino, oh, she never steal anything. Even the time, even even the time of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, they never steal anything. But the reason is Joseph Estrada, who was convicted of plunder. Even Jinggoy Estrada. That's what I'm telling you, Carlos. That is the truth. That is the facts what we have to say, or that what we talk about. That is true. Oh, whenever I say before, Carlos, Carlos Santos Fernandez. I know you love Panda. You love to say, you say that Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is a greatest leaf, the greatest cultural revolution. That's nonsense. Marcoses are criminal. That's true. They are not really a true Filipinos. Do you know the Marcoses are ally with US? And the Marcoses are ally with US and Israel. And the Marcoses are ally with the Western countries. That's the reason. But the Duterte are close ally with Russia, China, Iran, even North Korea, even Palestine, including Belarus, that was a close friend of Russia. And the Dutertes are ally with Cuba and Venezuela. Oh, under by Miguel Canal Diaz and Nicolas Maduro, and the past successor is Fidel Castro and Hugo Chavez. That's similar. I say to you, Carlos Santos Fernandez, Bongbong Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos Sr. are close allies by Lyndon Johnson, Richard Nixon, even Joe Biden, Benjamin Netanyahu, and also the other allies of Marcoses, even the allies of Marcoses, even European Union, even Ursula von Leyen, they're allies. You know, the Marcos loyalists, Carlos Santos Fernandez, they are fake Filipinos. They're not showing how patriotic they are. They disrespect Lapu-Lapu. They disrespect Andres Bonifacio. They disrespect Jose Rizal. They disrespect the other heroes of the Philippines, some of Marcos loyalists. They are very disrespectful. As we are Filipinos, we have to trust Duterte. Rodrigo Duterte is like Hugo Chavez. He respects Simon Bolivar. Rodrigo Duterte respect Lapu-Lapu. There's a PDP Laban. There is allies of Rodrigo Duterte. Among them, there are such things what I could say. There is allies of Rodrigo Duterte. Like Andres Bonifacio, Jose Rizal, Antonio Luna, and even Goyo, Gregorio del Pilar, and other Philippine national heroes. They are heroes. Are worth it for the Filipinos. This is what I say to you, Carlos Santos Fernandez. Nobody to trust Marcoses. And to all of my fellow Filipinos, don't listen to those idiot Marcos loyalists because they are manipulative. Mga bastos sila. That's why I said before, mga walang utak sila walang utak. Oh, that's what they have to do. They know what they are saying are not really true. Oh, they are fake news. And the Marcos loyalists are fake news. They're fake news spender. They are troll. Do you see that Marcos loyalists, they troll Teacher Jessa Fernandez and even Teacher Ruthie Barrientos? They say mga dilawan kayo. Oh. And even the Marcos loyalists accuses Jens Manaid, even his family members, they troll them. They say mga pinklawan kayo. Plus 2022 in election. Oh. What kind of Marcos loyalist, what you are telling, it's all not true. I say to all of Marcos loyalists, ask Miggy Labitag. Miggy Labitag knows everything about his friend Matthew Timbal, that he is anti-Marcos. Matthew Timbal says, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos are the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. That's the truth.